Hello, this is Selena from My Dear Mandarin. In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 interesting different radicals in Mandarin. If you haven't subscribed yet, please be sure to click the subscribe button and like our video for more weekly Mandarin content. So first, let's talk about what are radicals exactly. Radicals are called 部首 in Mandarin. If you could understand the meaning of the radicals, could make the learning process much smoother. The reason being some of the pronunciation or meaning of Mandarin characters are highly related to radicals. There's a saying in Mandarin, 有边读边，没边读中间, which means that if you don't know the pronunciation of a character, just try to pronounce its radical or characters within the character. Then you might get the pronunciation of that character. Keep in mind that the radicals we'll be looking at are the ones from traditional Mandarin and could be a little bit different from the ones in simplified Mandarin. Let's get started with the 5 interesting radicals. The first radical, 木部, means wood or things made out of wood. When you put 2 of these together, you will get the character 林, which literally means a bunch of trees in Mandarin. If you put 3 together, you will get the character 森, which you guessed it, means more trees. Lastly, we could put the 2 characters together. It will be the Mandarin word for forest, 森林. The second radical, 竹字头, means it's related to bamboo. This radical comes from the character 竹, which is the word for bamboo in Mandarin. Take the Mandarin character 兰 as an example. The radical gives you a hint of the character and the other part gives you a hint of the pronunciation. To be exact, the character 兰 means basket. The radical shows that the character has some kind of relation with bamboo, which in the times characters are created, baskets are mainly made out of bamboo. The third radical, 宝盖头, means a covered building or structure. From the looks of the radical, it looks quite like a flat roof. Most characters with this radical will have some connection with the household. Take the character 家, for example, the top part being the radical 宝盖头 and the bottom part being the character 屎, which means pig. If you put the 2 together, the meaning will be a pig in a house. The story behind this is in the past, people mainly eat pork instead of beef as their primary meat source. At the time, pigs are considered essential to a household, so they highlighted this through the design of this character. The fourth character, 水部, means water and is originated from the character 水. We'll use the character 湖 as our example. The radical 水 on the left gives you a rough meaning, while the part on the right, 湖, gives you the pronunciation. Combine this character is the Mandarin word for lake. The last radical for this video, 石部, means related or made by rocks. Our example for this radical is going to be the character 雷. If you have some basic knowledge about Mandarin, then you might be able to guess the meaning of this character. You could see the character is made up by 3 identical radicals. In Mandarin, whenever you put 3 identical parts within the same character, it usually means a lot of that thing. In this case, what happens when you put lots of stone together? They're heavy, right? That's why the meaning for the character 雷 is heavy. This is going to wrap up our video for today. If you like this kind of content, please leave a like to show us that we need to make a part 2 for this. Before then, I will see you next time. Bye bye, 再见。